a job today in Sutherland for a customer who's getting a second NBN line installed. Now I was out here the first time a couple of days ago, and NBN or their provider had told them that it was on pair 57. They didn't leave a tag or anything, so I came here and I checked 57 and there was a dial tone on it. 57 right there, right, and there was a dial tone on it with a phone number. That was a working service, I think. So then I told the customer, look, it's not working. There's a dial tone on here, it's a POTS line, it's coming up just as a plain old telephone service. Then they said, okay, I went away and I told them, you need to get NBN to come back and identify the line. Now, NBN came back and I told the customer to get the NBN guy to talk to me. So I told him that I had it jumpered on the A side at 57, and all I need to do is just, put that jumper on to whatever pair that he had designated coming in on the A side, to send that over to the B side, so that way the customer wouldn't have to get me to come back out and do this work again. So lo and behold, they called me, they said NBN's been out. I thought the NBN tech had actually jumped it over. The IT company who employed me to come and do this job came out, plugged their modem in, and nothing was working. So they've contracted me again to come out and take another look and work at what's going on. Now when I was here the other day, this card wasn't in here, but that was then sitting on pair 56. I just rang the IT company, they've confirmed the cable ID, cable pair ID, and said that that was the right one. So now pair 56, as you can see, I'm connected to that here, right, with my F-set, and that's going up to my device. Now this is a fibre to the node situation, because there's no fibre coming into the building here. So this should be syncing up. Now this has been going for almost 10 minutes now. This is probably going to switch off in a second, but there's still no sync. So this is just ridiculous. Now whoever the tech was that came and put this one on, he came out here a couple of days ago, but he's backdated it till the 20th of the 2nd, 2020, probably because he was supposed to put a tag on it when he'd done the job. That was when it would have been done, and he didn't do that, so he's backdated the tag. So this is still not syncing. There's still something wrong with this. I don't know why he didn't test it when he's done it, but there's no sync on this. So this will need to go back to NBN again for a third time, and then hopefully they'll get the job done right, and then this customer can finally get their second internet line on, because this is a business and they need it up and running ASAP.